Hello, and welcome to this presentation of HistText. What I plan to do is to take you through the usual journey of a user from first login to all the capabilities and especially export capabilities of a HistText. Before I start this, let me first introduce HistText. This is a completely new version of the tool that we have been developing since 2018, first as an R library, then through an R Shiny interface, and now as a full-scale, modular, server-based environment for querying, visualizing, and analyzing digitized historical corpora. HistText combines classic keyword querying with advanced natural language processing tools, especially entity recognition, semantic search, and various export capabilities for textual results, statistical tables, and also, of course, visualizations. This walkthrough will focus only on login today and the presentation of the main home page. Let me go over the home page. We have two panels, left-hand side and the main panel. The main panel is only for presenting HistText and its main feature that you can see down here on text analysis, statistics, and so on. And of course, the Get Started button on which we'll click in a minute. You can also send us feedback on the interface if you note a bug or any problem or want to make suggestions. We'll receive these feedbacks and improve the interface if we can. The left-hand side menu is composed of two elements. Here you have a home button, so at any stage during your use of HistText, you can click here to come back to this page. And here you have the HistText analysis page. In fact, it will take you to the first query page. We'll see that in a moment. If you go down here, if you press this question mark, it will provide you with the list of keyboard shortcuts to do various operations within HistText. Here you can choose between two modes. We are currently in the dark mode, but you can shift to a light mode. It's up to you to choose which one you prefer. This button here will take you to our GitHub repository where you can find the source code of HistText. It is free. It is open source. It can be downloaded and used by any public institution within the EU. All other need to have a license to use and implement HistText. We also have a very detailed user guide. If you click on it here, it will appear next to the HistText interface, and you can move through the different parts of the menu. It comes with a very rich detailed visualization to explain the various components and functionalities of HistText. I will come back to that later. Finally, here you have your account when it's created, and you can manage different aspects of your account. And here, of course, you can sign out. So let's get started from here or from the sign in button down there. It's just the same. Since I have an account, then my account appears by default. But if you want to create a new account, then you need to enter your name. I will create a fake account of HistText.com. Of course, this does not exist. You can choose your password or choose one suggested by the system. If you choose your password, as you can see here, you have an explanation, at least 8 characters, all the usual thing that you need to know. And then create the account automatically. I will access my own account now, and it takes me to the home page, and then you can get started. This is the HistText analysis query page. We'll come back to that in the next video. Thank you for your attention, and this is all for this session.